All right, what's good, Joe? So we're pretty much continuing what we were doing yesterday, and I left myself a note so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so um, we need to figure out why when we delete a line in an untracked file that's already tracked, it doesn't update the count. So so check at that point should be zero. Um, yeah, so we can pull this, and then this should be running after that. So let's check that. Let's update untracked. So this should be. Let's ensure that the update is running in the first place because I'm pretty sure the update was working before. So let's go ahead and. How much time do I have? I have like 20 minutes. That gives me enough time to bang something out. Dev build node dependencies. All right. So let's put this over here. OBS multi, if I could type correctly. All right. What am I printing here? Anyway, doesn't even matter right now. Okay, so we ran update initially. So now, actually the timers I can, oops, the timers I can get rid of right now because that's just in my way at this point. Right? So now we can go to a repo. Let's use dot files for today. Okay. Oh yeah, everything's hidden now. I don't even need this refill key, but it's good to test now. So let's remove something, and now it should. Ooh, it was locked. Okay, so now it's perma locked. I wonder if that's what's been happening for this. Bro, that. Because that would tell me what's happening. Okay, so checker is one, so that means checker is working, but we did not update the count. We ran update 2, so hmm. Update should delete everything that's in there. Check on track. Wait. Update. Here we are. Yeah, so it resets it should reset everything. So let's say create untracked. Is this setting everything it needs to? Yeah, it is. Okay, why don't we just go ahead and print. Let's figure out where the other print was coming from. It was this, I think. So now for create, actually, why don't we just we just run this through GDB so I don't have to keep doing this. GDB OBS run. All right, so that's that. Now we have the symbols, so we can say break at create untracked files. All right, so let's remove something, and it should run update, which it did not. Yeah, so checker was 1, so it should have ran update, which should have called create. Now, why it didn't run create is beyond me right now. So for tick, we got here, and it runs update. Am I missing something? No, because it says ran update. So we had to have. Oh. Wait a minute. We ran this update. That's not the other. Okay, is OBS source update different than what I'm thinking it is? Because if it is, I think that solves my problem. So for update, we're just going to print something really loud, right? So we do that, we build it again. Oh, wait. Okay, now we do it again. And then we can say, let's just run it. It'll be faster that way. All right, so we updated it. Now let's create. Okay, so I don't think OBS source update is the right thing, even though it should be calling that. So let's figure out what that is. OBS plugin documentation. So it's OBS source update. Updates the settings for the source and calls OBS source info.update. Source info. Callback of the source. If the source is a video source, what is that? Yeah, this should be the same thing as. Oh, maybe not. Maybe a source info. Source definition structure. Yeah, I think that's what. Where's the bottom? Yeah, it's this. And it calls .update. You know, whatever. So, in case instead, what if we just put in get stats update? We can close this. Oh, I mistyped it again. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I know what this is, actually. Oops. It should fail at the update. Yeah, we call. Okay. I think it might have to be. Okay, so yeah, remove something. So checker should be 1, and then we should have called update, which we again did not call update. Why are we not running into update? Okay. Okay, so the checker is correct. There is just something wrong with calling the update function again within the tick function. Which means that we might have to handle the updating of the untracked files on our own rather than just calling update, which is fine. But yeah, that's gonna have to be a later thing. But okay, let me write it down first. And then what we can do is we can verify that's not running into it by just doing this, running, let me get the symbols. So we want to break at get stats updates. Wait, it's underscores. Run. All right, so it should run. Okay, it's not running when we go to tick. It should run when we remove this. But it did not. Wait, did I just get another? I could have sworn that was 971. But whatever. Yeah, so we are definitely not getting to updates, which is probably why it's not updating the count, because it doesn't have that in the array anymore. Or does, okay, so if we delete it, it still has it in the array. If we add it, it doesn't have it in the array because it's not updating. So either figure out why the update function is not properly called, or handle the untracked file. The untracked file, bro, brain. Array updating in here, which I don't want to do, so we're gonna have to figure out wait a minute. Oh, right, because calling this, but that's so odd. Wait, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to switch this back. Get source. Am I passing it the wrong source? I don't think so. Oh wait, no. Let's get source. My fault. Yeah, that is our source. You get the settings from get source, and then you pass it the settings. You release the settings afterwards. Is that why? Because I don't think so though. OBS plugin documentation. Oh shoot, wait, I lied. I don't have 20 minutes. I actually drive to campus. Okay, wait. So real quick, we are looking at OBS source get settings to ensure that we have to free it. Yeah, we have to release it. It's called when the settings are no longer used. Yeah. Okay. OBS source update. Let me double check. Updates the settings for the source and calls the OBS source. Info callback of the source. If the source is a video source, well, no, instead it would be deferred to the video thread. Blah, blah, blah. Wait. It's not a video source, right? It is. I'm stupid. Okay. So it's getting deferred to the video thread to prevent threading issues. I don't know what the video thread is, so we'll have to figure that out. Where's my to-do? Oh, yeah. I have multiple to-dos in there. So, note, read OBS source, update documentation, and find out if it's getting deferred video thread. And, oops, what did I do? Alright, cool. Alrighty. I'd say that's pretty solid. We figured out what our bottleneck is for why it's not updating, and the fact that check update untracked files is most definitely working exactly as intended. So we can just do that. Alright, cool. Good sesh. Short but good, as always.